All right, folks, ran out of battery. And, so it's kind of two videos instead of one. But this is the finished product as far as the mortar goes. Doing the mortar bed for the shower floor. And you see, we use the quick pitch. First time ever. And I'm going to tell you, I like it. I like it. It ends up perfect. Absolutely perfect. And anyway, it's awesome. Oh, me. Anyway, so you see how I don't let the cement board go all the way down onto the mortar. Some people will mortar right up against it, and I don't do that because that water will soak in and travel up that hardy board a little bit and create mold. So what I end up doing is I end up mortaring that, and I angle my mortar when I put it in, and then end up running a bead of silicone and then resting the rest of the mortar on that silicone. So between the wall and the floor will be a bead of silicone to keep that water from transferring from the floor to the wall. Anyway, I didn't explain that too good, but you get the drift. Anyway, that's it, folks. It looks good. Anyway, that is the quick pitch system, and it looks good. It's going to turn out awesome. Anyway, folks, we'll see you.